Hello, this is Tyler Beamer, Haywood Community College. This is an instructional math video for DMA 030. The purpose of this video is to work with percents in all of their forms. This is in regards to Module 3, Section 9. So a percentage is out of 100. So that's the percent sign that we use. Percents are used all the time. They're a great way to compare different numbers and make comparisons with different quantities. So the purpose of this section is to show all of the different ways and forms that we can write percent. So the first is writing a percent as a decimal. So to do that, you essentially take the decimal and the percentage and move it 2 places to the left, which means that you're essentially dividing by 100, which makes sense since percent is out of 100. So the decimal place is here in 65%. So if we move it 2 places to the left, we get 0.65. Okay. To write a percent as a fraction, excuse me. Write the percentage out of 100, so 45% is the same as 45 out of 100, and then simplify or reduce the fraction, so I can divide the top and the bottom here by 5, and 45 divided by 5 is 9, 100 divided by 5 would be 20, so we get 9/20ths. Alright, and then writing a decimal as a percentage, basically it's the reverse of what we did earlier when we made a percent into a decimal. So we move the decimal to the right 2 places, which means you essentially multiply by 100. So 0.38 is equivalent to 38%. And then last, if you want to make a fraction into a percentage, such as 7 over 40, I would recommend dividing the fraction. So 7 divided by 40, make sure you get that in the right order. So the numerator divided by the denominator is 0.175, and then make that decimal into a percentage by moving it 2 places to the right, which would be 17.5%. Alright, so later on in other sections we'll actually use these rules to solve applied problems and put percentages into applied situations, but we want to first get these rules down pat. So if you have any questions, please email or stop by the office.